I know some of you have been waiting for a deal on some generators, and indeed they're going to be coming up with a deal coming up here. It's going to be early access for ITC members on April 30th, which is Thursday. Then everyone else can save on Friday through Sunday, May 3rd. And what the deal is going to be on all Predator gas generators, you can save 20% on them. And also, if you're looking for a generator cover and wheel kit, you can save 25% on that. For ITC members, you will not need a coupon. It'll be automatically rung up at the register. But non-ITC members, you will need the coupon for it. And it will be released on Friday for you guys on the website. And I'm going to go over some of the options here on the Predator generators where you save 20% on them. It is a good deal on them, and I'll mention some other times that might have been better deals. But I'm going to start off with the small ones, and you can start off with the 1800 max starting watt one. It's 98cc gasoline engine. It has two AC plugs on it and a DC plug, and this retails at $349.99. But if you're looking for something quiet and an inverter generator, it's definitely worth the upgrade to go for at least the 2000 max starting watts, and it's 1600 running watts. It also has two AC plugs, and this one's rated at 58 decibels. This one currently at the store is on clearance for $574.97, so you would be able to save 20% off of that. At a bare minimum, I recommend going for the Predator 2500 watt one, which is a 2500 max starting watts and 2000 running watts. This one also has two AC plugs as an eco mode to it as well, so it's more efficient on gas. This is also a super quiet inverter generator. It offers up to a 10-hour runtime, and it's lightweight at 46 pounds. This one is priced at $630, so save 20% on that. And the reason why at a minimum I would recommend this size is that you would be able to run like a room AC in case of an emergency. I do have the Honda version of this generator, and that's exactly what I used for after the hurricanes and having power outages. So I was able to run a room AC on it as well as a small mini fridge. So just be aware of the wattages of the different generators and what you're looking to power to make that decision as far as the amount of power you need. Next up is the 3500 watt super quiet inverter generator. This one is priced at $800. It offers 11-hour runtime, and it is a 3000 watt running watts and 3500 starting watts. This one also has two AC plugs as well as a 30 amp plug to it. So what I did was I'd run an extension cord from one of the plugs and then run multiple outlets off of it. So be sure to also pick up some power strips so you'll be able to power multiple devices from it. This one does come with wheels, so you could easily move it around. And this one's rated at also 57 decibels, which they say is actually quieter than a quiet conversation. A lawnmower is rated at 90 decibels, and a jackhammer is rated at 100 plus decibels, just to give you perspective of the amount of sound that it will generate. And if you're getting any value from this video, I would appreciate you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these deal videos that I do. Help the channel reach that 50,000 goal. It's now less than 900 subscribers to go. And when we reach that goal, I'll be giving away those 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. And I do appreciate that support. Now let's move to the next generator. And this next one, I would say it's probably the more popular generator to go with. And it's going to be on the 5000 watt dual fuel super quiet inverter generator. So it's a 5000 max starting watts and 3900 running watts. And the thing that's nice about it is that it's dual fuel, so you can run it on gasoline or propane. And it does have the switch there to it, so you just switch it over to whichever gas you're using. It has a push button start. Also even includes a remote start, so you can start it from while you're inside the house, which is very convenient. This one also offers the 30 amp plug and then two AC plugs, even a USB and USB-C plug. This one also comes equipped with wheels as well as a pull-out handle, so you pull it out and move it around. This one is more popular for backup power emergencies as well as even RVs, like small campers and even food trucks. I see this hanging off the back of food trucks. It's a good all-around generator, especially having the option to run it on propane, which is highly recommended, especially in case of emergencies. You can just have propane tanks to help power it in addition to the gas. This one is retail price at $1,100, so save 20% on that. And yes, we have seen better deals on this. In fact, during parking lot sales where they had it as low as I think $699 at one time, but who knows if we'll ever see that pricing again on this generator. And if you don't need the super quiet inverter generator, which I recommend for having for the emergency power outages, because it is a inverter generator, which is good for sensitive electronics like computers and phones. to have the clean energy running to it versus the other generators that don't offer the inverter generator. So this would be more for like job sites, construction sites to run power tools on and other equipment. So something like this is going to be cheaper versus an inverter one. So this one's rated at 3,500 running watts. It has 4 AC plugs. This one is priced at $480, so save 20% on that. But anytime you're picking up a generator, I'd highly consider an inverter one, and you could go with this one. It's not a super quiet one, but it is rated at 4,550 starting watts and 3,650 running watts. This one's priced at $680. This one's going to be also a regular generator, not an inverter one. This one's priced at $500, and it's a 5,000 max starting watts and 4,000 running watts. And if you need more power, they have this one available. It's the 9,500 watt super quiet inverter generator. This one's rated at 7,500 running watts. It has multiple AC plugs, the built-in hour meter, and a switch to where you can select whether it's 120 volt only or the 120 and 240 volt. And it has the 30 amp plug to it as well. But the one thing about this one is it's not a dual fuel or tri-fuel model. So it's going to be limited to gasoline only. It is rated at 67 decibels, and that one's priced at $2,000. And here is the biggest option they offer for the super quiet inverter generator, and this one is tri-fuel. It is rated at 11,500 max starting watts and 9,000 running watts. So as I mentioned, it is tri-fuel, so you could run it on propane, gasoline, as well as natural gas. So if you happen to have a natural gas line, this would be an excellent option to choose from. This one comes equipped with a 50 amp plug, so this would help power large RVs or even majority of the power for a house with that 50 amp plug. This one is a large unit, comes equipped with the handle that does extend out, as well as the built-in wheels with it. This one is priced at $2,200, so it's only $200 more than the 9,500 one, and you're getting much more power as well as the tri-fuel option. So it's definitely worth that upgrade in my opinion, especially when you're going to be able to save 20% on it. And I'll quickly cover the other generators that they have. So they have the 6,500 max starting watt one. This is not an inverter one, which is why it's a lot cheaper at $650, and it's rated at 5,500 running watts. It offers a 14.5 hour runtime, and it's rated at 74 decibels. And the next step is another inverter generator. It's just not the super quiet one, and it's going to be strictly gasoline. And that's rated at 15-hour runtime, 75 decibels, and it does have easy electric start to it. This one is priced at $1,100, and it is currently on an ITC deal at $1,000. But obviously, it's going to be better to save the 20% on it during this deal. And then next up is the 9,000 max starting watts, 7,250 running watts. This is again not an inverter generator. This one offers a 13-hour runtime and 78 decibels. It also has electric start as well. It does mention that it's electric start capable, so I don't know if it includes a battery or not. This one is priced at $800. And the last generator option I'm going to cover in this video is going to be on the tri-fuel generator. It's rated at 13,000 watts, and it runs on gasoline, propane, and natural gas. And you just select the dial of which gasoline you're going to use. It also comes equipped with that 50 amp plug, as well as a 240 volt plug, 30 amp one, as well as multiple regular 20 amp AC plugs and another 30 amp plug as well. So again, this one won't be good for sensitive electronics like computers or phones. So it'll be mainly for other equipment and power tools. And this one also offers the easy push button start as well. This one is priced at $1,300. So definitely this would be a good time to pick up a generator with storm season approaching. Basically all of US, it's going to be dealing with some power outages from thunderstorms, tornadoes, even hurricane season's coming up. So it's good to have a generator on hand before the emergency happens, because when that emergency happens, that's when there's a run for the stores on generators. I know firsthand experience with that, of running around trying to find a generator in stock. So definitely it's good to be prepared and not need it than need it and not have it. And as far as the wheel kits go, they have a couple different options. They have the 8-inch portable generator wheel kit. That one's priced at $40, so you would be able to save 25% on that. And then they have the 10-inch heavy-duty generator wheel kit. That one's priced at $60. So again, save that 25% on that. So far this store only has one generator cover in stock, and that's the medium generator storage cover. That's 25-inch by 19 by 19 and a half. That's priced at $15, so you would be able to save 25% on that. And they don't have the large cover in stock right now, but hopefully your store does if you need one. and that's priced at 18 bucks. And another tip is when you're picking up a new generator, be sure that you do pick up some stable for gasoline stabilizer, and that's priced at 8 bucks. And also it's good to have on hand some extra oil, because there will be like a break-in period for a generator, and if you're running it often, you're going to need to change the oil often. And they do have the quarts here for the 4-cycle oil, and that's priced at 9 bucks. And also don't forget some cords as well, especially if you have a 30 amp plug or even a 50 amp one. They have different options available as well. And to give you an example, the 7500 watt 30 amp plug, that one is priced at 55 bucks. Then they have the 25-foot 30 amp plug that has multiple outlets on the end, so this would be great to have, so you can run multiple extension cords off of that, and then power strips in addition to that. And it'd be nice to have one single cord going from the generator to inside your house to power the multiple different devices, and that one is priced at 60 bucks. But unfortunately they're not doing a deal on the different cords and cord adapters, but it's just good to have those on hand and ready to go as well. All right, that's going to be it for these generator deals I'm going to cover in this video. If you did gain any value from it, I would really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these deal videos. Help the channel reach that 50,000 goal. I really do appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.